Hello guys and welcome at Test and Review. And before we proceed with the product review today, let me just wish you a happy new year. Let it be more productive, healthy, and just a bit better than the outgoing 2020. And now let's continue with the product review today. It's a power supply made by Seasonic, and this is the Focus GX-550. It's a 550 watt power supply with 80 plus gold certificate. We just got this last week for a new build that we're gonna make in the next couple of days, so just wanted to share some impressions before we actually build it in the configuration. And let's make a quick unboxing today and show you what's in the box and just basic specs about this Seasonic Focus GX-550 power supply. As you can see from the box here, it comes with 10 years warranty. This is one of the best, the longest warranties that we found while searching for a quality power supply. And it's also not the most expensive in this class, even though it's one of the rather expensive power supplies that we checked. It's least for this these watts 550. We got it for around $100, but of course you can find it cheaper. For the European customers, I've seen this go around 70-80 euros, so not the cheapest, not the most expensive, probably a mid-range gold plus certified power supply. And now let's continue to the box. Very nice hard box, nicely packaged and quite heavy, to be honest. Let me just turn this picture so you can see better. Okay, very nicely packaged, a lot of weight to it, as you can expect from a quality power supply. From the research, I know this has quality, I believe, Japanese capacitors, but I might be wrong. I'll share this in the full review, so please check the link in the top right corner or the one in the product description in this video. I'll post a link to the full review at testproductreview.com, so please check this one. And of course, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We'll strongly appreciate it. But now let's continue and open this box real quick. Let me see how does it open. Really nicely packaged. Oops, sorry about that. I'll figure a way to open this, no matter how much time it will take me. Let's see if it's on this end or... oh, it's right here on the side. It opens like this, and here we have everything that's in the box. Just focus like this, and it's nice that we don't need it. You're gonna need this for the build. Nicely straps. Put this on the side. What else we have here? Some discounts and booklets. This is some basic instructions, installation guide, nothing special, everything that you can expect to be in the box of a power supply. Now just let me remove this, and here's this beauty, which is quite heavy. Oh my, it's quite heavy. Very heavy actually. And this is the actual power supply. As you can see, just turn it. It says Seasonic in the middle, and the power button and the hybrid mode button. and this is the power where the power cable goes in. We'll see if it has power cable included. Of course, I believe it should include one. And here's some specifications about the power supply. Let me just put it on the side and see what else might be in the box. Underneath this there's nothing, and let me just see what's in here. Okay, so here we have the power cable. Let me just pop it out. Very nicely and sturdy packaged. And here we have the power supply with European plug. Put this on the side, and of course, since being a fully modular, let me just show you fully modular supply. We have the cables included separately, and here we have all the cables that are included with this Seasonic Focus 550 supply. And now let's just open it and show you a couple of them. I hope there's going to be everything that we need for our build, like SATA power cables. I'm not gonna explain all of these cables. You can check online for the specifications and what's included inside. Just show you some of the cables that are included. This one, PCIe, another one, and there is another one right here. Just open it real quick. I believe there's everything that we're going to need for our build. It's going to be a Ryzen build with 3600X processor, 32 gigabytes of RAM, and GX-550 XT, the SS1. And here's what else is included in the box. I believe that these are all the contents from this box, and of course this is everything that's included. And yeah, as I mentioned, this is a fully modular power supply. That's why it is a bit more expensive, of course. And the other reason is it is gold certified, and it has a peak power of 90% at just 50% load, so pretty good supply. I believe it's going to be more than enough, since the average for the build that we'll make, the average consumption on peak levels was around 250-300 watts that were needed. Of course, it's always strongly recommended to get a bit more for your system. Thankfully, new components are much more power efficient, and we believe that 550 is going to be more than enough. I know that many people are buying bigger power supplies that they actually don't need. Most of the time it's because of highly power consuming video cards, because most processors are up to 100 watts TDP, usually 65, 95 or 120 TDP, and the video card that we're going to use is around the same range, so peak levels of 320, 350 at most will be more than enough. But we will insert it in the Fantex case that we bought, and we will show you more information. Of course, as I mentioned, check the link below for more info about this power supply, and we will update you shortly. Thank you for visiting Test and Review, and don't forget to subscribe for the next video and product review. Thank you. Bye bye.